Welcome to the second part of Heavy Sword Kata. Now, see the demonstration where we end up in the first part. Okay, it's time to learn the techniques deeply. After performing this attack, swing your sword and hit a heavy attack on the neck or in the head. This will blow the enemy. Now if someone comes from behind, just go backward, take your position and hit him in the leg. This attack will save you from heavy attack on the head. Now swing your sword, go backward and perform this block. This block is mainly used to block the sharp weapon attack. Now perform two heavy attacks to push your enemy back. Go down, swing your sword and again perform a slashing attack 2 times. This will finish him off. Perform a sword swing attack 2 times. Jump and hit him. And don't stop here. Perform 2 slashing attack additionally. And at the end, ready for next attack. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching and I will meet you soon.